𝐍𝐢𝐥𝐚𝐢 and a warm greetings to all our friends, staff, students, past and present, and everyone who've been part of 𝐍𝐢𝐥𝐚𝐢 University in any way. On behalf of everyone here at 𝐍𝐢𝐥𝐚𝐢 University, I'm so happy to send my warmest wishes as we welcome the Year of the Snake. This is a time to celebrate, yes, but also a time to pause, reflect, and think about the years ahead with hope and excitement. The snake represents wisdom, creativity, intelligence, and intuition, qualities that we really value here at 𝐍𝐢𝐥𝐚𝐢 University. These aren't just ideas for us, they guide everything we do, from the way we teach to the way we build our community, so that everyone, students, staff, and partners alike, can grow and succeed. As we move into the Year of the Snake, let's embrace it with open hearts and minds. It's a chance for all of us to reflect on the past, but also to look forward with energy and a clear sense of purpose. We are also very proud this year to be ranked in the QS World University Rankings for Asia 2025. A big part of that comes from the incredible international partnership we have built, and we are excited to keep growing those connections with institutions and communities from all over the world. 𝐍𝐢𝐥𝐚𝐢 University is truly a global place, and it is that rich, diverse environment that we all thrive. Whether you're a current student, an alumnus, a partner, or someone who's been part of our journey, we are grateful to have you with us. 𝐍𝐢𝐥𝐚𝐢 University means new opportunities. This new year, we are excited to welcome fresh faces to our community. UEC students, your results are out. Apply now and kickstart your future with our April intake for the nursing program. SPM students, don't wait. Apply with your trial result and secure your spot for a June intake. Let's step into this new year together with positivity, unity, and a shared spirit of support. Wishing all of you wonderful celebration and truly fulfilling Year of the Snake. 恭喜发财，新年快乐！